In today's video, I am going to review a very new brand in Pakistan that is called Mushk-e-Khani. So this is the, you can say, the envelope I got. I didn't purchase these. They are kind enough to send me 2 bottles. So I'm going to be a very strict reviewer. So let's say what is the honest. I'm going to give you an honest review of these two. So this is the packaging. I really like the packaging, simple bottles. One is called Maraseil. This is another oil, and the other one is Sufi Lail. Sufi Lail or Sufi Lial, I'm not sure. Sufi Lail Mushk-e-Khani. Mushk-e-Khani is the brand name. So let's start with from opening the this envelope, this bag. I started getting some you would say soapy kind of vibe, which I really don't like. So let's try this one. So I'm going to sniff it. So it is very sweet, bit soapy. I would say it is a very safe scent for summers. It is not very soapy, it is very light soapy. Let's try to put this over here, put this on this paper. It is very close to Mason Mermin perfume, which perfume oil, which I think I reviewed, which was Abir. Abir was super sweet. It is not very super sweet, but it is fruity, light fruity, sweet with some fruitiness is a lot, I think. Fruity with some light soapiness in the start. Very powerful. And I think the price is around 1100 for I think this bottle. They're kind enough to send me this one, and I normally use and very high-end oils, very natural oils. From that perspective, in the price range, I think this is a good one. But if you like soapy, fruity kind of attars, then this is Sufi Lail. So personally, I would not go for this one. This is not my you would say theme or choice, so I don't like this one. But I really like that they have some bottle, the top, you can see there is something written on the top of the bottle. I really like the presentation, good initiation in Pakistan. But I personally think that we have a lot of perfume companies and brands in Pakistan, Scent and Stories and all other, Junaid Jamshed, they are targeting perfumes or buyers that are in the, you can say, economical range. They don't have perfumes like 25,000, 30,000 or high quality or niche perfumes. So I would think that there must be someone who would try to enter that area rather than, you know. Okay, so it is a bit synthetic musk, a bit soapy there, still soapy because synthetic musk is actually soapy. This one is actually Maraseil, and let's try to apply it. They are very close, very synthetic. I really hate synthetic, but these are a bit, this one is nice, very a bit uplifting kind of light soapiness. White musk may be used, some florals are there. So this one Maraseil is better than Sufi Lial because Sufi Lial was a bit too fruity or sweet for me. This one is a bit better. I have sniffed similar perfumes from Swiss Arabian or perfume oils. So Maraseil is a bit, I would say, soapy sweet, musky soapy kind of oil. There is some floral in the background which is very addictive. So my choice would go for this one. I would recommend that do try this one, Maraseil. Nice one. Okay, so from my point of view, Maraseil Von Sufi Leal was a bit too sweet for my taste. I mostly like woody or woody kind of vibes, or sandalwood kind of attars. So Maraseil, at first I thought that this is going to be very soapy, but it turns out to be a bit better than what I thought. So this is my review of Sufi Leal and Maraseil from this company, new company, Mushk-e-Khani, this one. So do try their attars, and maybe they should initiate a sample set, because it is very easy for the users if you get all the sample set and you just try samples of 1 ml or 2 ml. 1 ml, I think 1 ml sample set in the range of 1500, and you can try all their attars and buy the ones you want. So this is my review about Mushk-e-Khani 2 attars. Thank you for sending me your gifts and giving me chance to try these. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is my simple review. I was very strict because coming from high-end attar oils or pure naturals to these attar oils that are very affordable, it is a very big jump for me. So that is all my review about Mushk-e-Khani. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.